In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning AI-generated art using NightCafe AI. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for content creators, designers, or anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life with AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for NightCafe AI. Click on the official website link to head over to the platform. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt box on the homepage. But before using it, you'll need to log in. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up using your Google account or email. Since I already have an account, I'm just logging in. Now it's time to create some AI art. In the text prompt box, type in what you want the AI to generate. For this example, I'll type, "Realistic photo of a woman at sunset on a city street." Once you've typed your prompt, click the Create button. Now NightCafe starts generating your image. This usually takes a few seconds depending on the complexity. And here it is, the final result. A beautiful, realistic image created entirely by AI. You can use it for thumbnails, social media posts, digital art projects, or whatever you need. If you're not happy with the result, you can always change the prompt and try again. NightCafe also gives you extra tools like fixing faces, adjusting the composition, cropping, upscaling, and even publishing your art to the community gallery. You also get 20 free image generations when you sign up. After that, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version if you want to continue creating more. And that's how easy it is to create AI art with NightCafe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.